Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil and you're probably wondering what the heck happened to all my drawings. Well, over the weekend I moved and everything is still in a box right now. So this is my garage and I'm just set up here for now. But that's not important. We're gonna be drawing today and we're going to be drawing Oogie the cat from the new Netflix series Oogie Oogie that's streaming on Netflix right now. But before we get into our drawing, just a friendly reminder, here on Truly Artrageous, I like to teach you guys how to draw cool stuff. And I like to do that in a fun and easy way. And I post brand new videos to the channel here every Thursday. So watch your calendar for Thursdays on your iPhone or on the wall or wherever the heck you keep it, and come on back to the channel for some new drawings. But if you want to make things a little bit more automatic, go right now down below, click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't have to watch the calendar, and YouTube will let you know when I have a new video. All right, let's get into our drawing of Oogie the cat. Ready, set, here we go. Okay, so for this drawing, you're going to need a piece of paper. You're going to need your drawing utensil. I'm using a black marker so it's easier for you guys to follow along, but feel free to use whatever is most comfortable for you to draw with. And then when we get to the coloring step, these are the colors that I'm choosing for Oogie. Feel free to copy these or choose your own. Also, very important, if I'm going too fast during this tutorial, please feel free to push the pause button or hit rewind. I want you guys to be able to follow along as easily as possible. Okay, let's start out with our first step. So we're gonna draw the top of Oogie's head, and it's just kind of a shallow arch. So we're gonna start here, pull that line over to right there. And his head is kind of like a pyramid with rounded sides. So I'll show you what I mean. We're gonna start right here. Gonna drag a line down like this to about there. Same thing on this side, we're gonna pull that line down to about there. Maybe a little further, there we go. And then on the bottom here, we're just gonna make kind of a really shallow U shape, like a U that got squished. So we're gonna start off here. We're gonna pull out, down, come all the way over, up, and in like that. All right, next we're gonna draw Oogie's body. So that's gonna start right at about here. It's kind of a little off center. So we're just gonna draw a curved line out and down like that. And then another one over here, out and down like that. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of him right here, and he really doesn't have any legs. He just kind of has a body and feet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create some curved lines to indicate those feet, right like that. We're gonna draw just a little line down like that, and then another curved line around and connecting to that other curve that we just drew. Then we're gonna put his feet on there. So we're gonna start right here, draw a little tiny line like that, little tiny line like that. Then we're gonna come out here, gonna curve around and down like so. Same thing on this side, we're gonna curve around and down like so. Then we're gonna do his heels, straight line down like that. Same thing on the other side, like that. He kind of looks like a Goomba from Super Mario Brothers, huh? Then we're gonna cap his feet off with just a little shallow curve. Just like that, and like that. Next, we're gonna draw his nose, and his nose is kind of a jelly beanish oval shape. So we're gonna start in the center here, gonna draw a line out, around, down, keep that going, up, and back in like that. See how it kind of looks like a jelly bean a little bit. Then we're gonna draw Oogie's eyes. So his eyes are just kind of like a rainbow shape. So we're gonna come up and down like that, and then the other eye is up and down like that. And then we'll color those in black. Next, we're gonna draw Oogie's smile. Really, really super easy. We're gonna come over here. He's kind of got like a side smile going on. So it's like a rounded V. So we're gonna draw a line down like this, and then up like that. Then we'll come up to the top of his head here, and we're gonna put his ears on. So same kind of shapes as the eyes here, just some rainbow shapes, upside down U's. curve up like that and down like that. And then on this side, curve up, curve down. And then we'll color those in black too. Okay, and since Oogie's a cat, we're gonna put on some whiskers. So he's got 4 whiskers that started about right here. They're just some straight lines, so we'll draw a straight line out like that. Another one out like that. Same thing on this side. Line out like that. Line out like that. So then we'll come back down to the body here, and he's got kind of a teardrop shaped patch on his stomach. I'll show you what that looks like here. So we're just gonna draw a line down, around, like that. And then we'll come up to the top here again and just pull that line all the way down and connect it in. Next, we're gonna draw his hands. So the first one on the right side, that's the right side, yeah. First one on the right side starts right here. Gonna curve a line down like this. His hands are kind of like mittens, like that. So kind of like a upside down candy cane. And then another curved line to indicate the thumb. And in this picture, he's waving to us. So in the cartoon, his hands kind of like float around. So this one is way up here next to his head. So we're gonna draw a line out like this. Again, they look like mittens. So we'll do upside down candy cane like that. And then another upside down candy cane like that. All right, there's your line work for Oogie. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay. What do you call a hippie's wife? Mississippi. All right, let's move on to our coloring step. We'll do that in super speed, starting now. There you have it, your fully colored Oogie the cat from the new show, Oogie Oogie. Thanks for drawing along with me. I hope you guys had a great time drawing Oogie the cat from the new Netflix show, Oogie Oogie. Hey, occasionally I run out of ideas, so I'm depending on you guys to help me out there. If you've got a good idea about what you would want me to teach you how to draw, leave that in the comments for me. All right, that's gonna wrap up this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.